Hey, O-Day Makers. Just reporting here a little project I've been working on. This is the first Arduino device that we made with with a little help from our friends at the SeattleMakers space. Um, we actually laser cut the boards here at the SeattleMakers space. And you can see we got the cool laser engraved O-Day symbol there. Okay, and then we actually laser cut these boards out, and then we even 3D printed these little clips here so we could kind of create this sort of like two-level system with like the Arduino on bottom, and then we got our breadboard kind of right there. But this device, it's actually I hooked up a RGB LED. It's got kind of a cool look to it when it's shining, and we got an RGB fade function. Okay, but it only turns on when the light gets low enough. So like the idea is that we have a little house here, right? So when it's nighttime, the little lights are gonna light up inside of the house. So I'll take the house off just so you can see how it works, right? So it's kind of bright in here, so I'm gonna take this little towel here and put it around the device without knocking it off the table. Okay, and if we get it dark enough, there we go. Gotta cover up the light sensitive resistor here. Right, so if it's bright out, the light's off, and then if it gets dark enough, the light comes on. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it actually changes colors. It's pretty cool. Anyway, fun device, pretty simple to code. I had to hack a couple of Arduino sketches there. So awesome, guys. Have a Merry Christmas.